It's gonna get your monkey. It's gonna get your monkey. It's not gonna get me. It's gonna fail. Oh, it flipped. Look at her. She's like, what? This is not okay. Honey. Supposed to run away from it, Emma. Not so much. Not so much. Aww. She's like, how are you doing that? Oh, Tim, you can't drive. It's going to get me, Annie. I tipped it over. Mama, look at her. She's like, I don't get it.
I don't think she's a big fan.
Look at her, though.
Come here, honey. Mommy.
Mama, you forget she's not wearing her collar.
Running over your groundhog.
Oh, you run over her bone? Oh. You bad man.
Come here, honey. Come here.
She's like, no, I don't trust you. Oh, come here, Annie.
Pop a little Willie.
Hey, Annie, there's a chair behind you and a tub in front of you. Don't bust your head open. Let me hide behind Mommy.
Behind Mommy.
It's gonna get Mommy. It's gonna get Mommy, Annie.
Oh, he's scared of Mommy.
Mommy's gonna beat it. Let me peek around the corner. I'm right from a distance.
Hey, I just wanted this.
You're gonna get yourself in trouble. up between Mama's legs. I must hide.
Oh.
She's like, but wait, I gotta make sure I don't run into anything.
Get it. Get it.
Danny, get it. Get it, Danny. Get it. You're so mean. Granny's gonna get a kick out of this.
I might even have fun chasing mommy.
Not if you want her to break her neck. We can't afford that. Annie! You know Mark and Kathy's going, what are they doing?
I had a straight shot at her.
Oh my God! Spin on the side.
Oh, you almost got it.
See if it makes it flip. Like.
That's what he's trying to do. And that's the intended purpose.